So you continue to see growth, but given the global environment, what the IMF is telling us is a global slowdown of quite some proportions. Tell me how you think that's going to impact on your business, and how much have you been impacted already by currency rates, by logistics problems, that kind of thing?
Sure. Our industry, especially in our case, we are serving population and give access to affordable health. And actually, the demand for this kind of services is going higher at the time of recession. The medicine is something that everybody needs, and affordable medicine is something that are very important, especially at times of a volatile economy. There are impacts, not only now, but already in the last 2 years of shipping costs and commodity price and oil prices. And against that, you are mitigating it by having a very, very diversified markets, diversified set of products, and diversified supply chains. So you can have more alternatives when you want to choose your route, your products, your raw material, etc. So in a strange way, for a company like ours, this situation is even better than other times.
Well, good to hear you sounding so positive. But what was behind the decline in your gross margins then? Was it just the one-offs?
Mostly one-offs. If you take and adjust for the ruble currencies and the others, it's actually very much within the range that we normally used to have, which is 51% to 53%. And this is also what we're projecting going forward.
Yeah, you mentioned the ruble. Tell me about your exposure to Russia and where you think that's going. You doing any hedging on that front?
We hedged ourselves, and actually in March, the ruble was on one side. Actually, during our first quarter, it was on the other side. And we actually even gained from that hedging. As we speak, we do not see any headwind. The health sector is not impacted by sanctions or by any other activities. Actually, nobody, including the Western companies, left or did anything different in Russia, and so are we. So in that respect, we see, in a way, business as usual in Russia.